Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Instagram privacy setting. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my Instagram account, and the first thing we have to do if we want to change the privacy setting is click on this profile button. Then after that, we can click on this button on the top right corner of our screen. And since we want to change the privacy settings, we can click on settings and privacy. So it's right here. Then we have to scroll our screen until we find account privacy. So just tap on it. And if you want to make your account become private account, you just need to click on the toggle button to activate it. And after that, you can click on switch to private. Alright, and when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share on Instagram. Okay guys, and that's how we can change Instagram privacy setting. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.